I have prepared a bunch of vegetables that will all go in the oven that will be great for meal prep. I've got butternut squash, sweet potatoes, and Yukon Golds, and I've just taken them, wrapped them in foil, poked holes in them, and of course cut my squash in half and cleaned it out. And then I'm going to cover it with an entire sheet of foil. Make sure you poke holes in your potatoes and your sweet potatoes. Just stab them with a knife so that they can vent. But cover it with foil. I'm going to roast it at 400 for about an hour. And that should cook through all the potatoes, and the butternut squash should be pretty much done. I will have to check the sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes usually take a little bit longer to cook, but this is an easy way to do meal prep on your root vegetables and have everything ready to go. If you want to see what I'm doing this January for meal planning, make sure you go visit my website, theeverythinghousewife.com. We just finished roasting our root vegetables in the oven, and now we're taking them and pre-measuring them in containers and then writing the amount with a dry erase marker, 220 grams of butternut squash. So we're doing that with all of them so that they're just ready to go and that it's easy to calculate. And it doesn't matter how much you put in each container, you'll kind of get an idea of how much you eat. You can just adjust your calculations as you go, but it certainly makes it easier to have everything pre-portioned and written down. Then when you're hungry, you just pop it in the microwave and punch in the calculations.